This video goes to Dave at Dave's Farm. This is a 1982 Datsun 720 King Cab 4x4 that I got for free from my Uncle Jay. It's been sitting for 10 years. I fixed it up and got it running. Had to do a little bit of work with the clutches and stuff. I wired the high beam lights with the corner lights that go right there. It's about in need of a new frame. It's almost cracked in half. As you can see, I took the doors off and only left the front window in. And the tires are bald. And pop the hood. I have to do a little bit of rewiring. Okay, it's the engine in it. It's but anyways. Oh no, but you can, let me try to get the camera down there. You can tell it's pretty much all rotted out. So you can tell it's gone through the mud a couple times. So and it's the end of part